Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my loves. So today's video is definitely a different one. I did have a request on my giveaway video to do a video on, I'm going to pop it up right here and pop up the subscriber's name, and it's a subscriber shout out. So it says that she would love to see a video of me using products I used to love that I don't really reach for anymore. And that really made me stop and think about products that I used to have such a mad obsession that all of a sudden I just stopped using, and now it's just sitting there. And it makes me think, you know, that's pretty wasteful. So I started to go through my eyeshadow palettes, my foundations, my concealers, my blush, my contour, primers, all that stuff, and I was like, wow, these are products that I used to have such a mad love and passion for, and now I just don't reach for them anymore. If you guys haven't entered in my giveaway yet, I will leave the link right here for the giveaway video, and also the link to the giveaway will be listed down below for you guys to go ahead, put in all your information. Good luck to everybody that enters. Now let's pop into all the products that I used to love, but I don't reach for anymore. So now that we're zoomed in up close and personal, hello, I haven't said that in a long time, but anyhow, I am going to go in with this primer, which I used to rave about all the time, use it every single day, and it is by YSL, and it's the All Hours Primer. I don't really know why I stopped using this primer. It was great for my skin. It made my makeup look really, really gorgeous. It is very watery though, and the cover used to get in quite a mess, and I think that was probably maybe the reason why I stopped using it. It does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, but it's not that strong. But I honestly think that's why I stopped using it, is because it used to just make such a mess on the bottle, because where it is such a liquidy primer, but it really truly does make my makeup last all day. So this one here is a brand new bottle because my old one was really like not looking so good, and I really kind of did not want to put that on my face. So anyways, this is the Wet n Wild, and this is the Photo Focus foundation in Porcelain. I absolutely loved this foundation. I used to use it so much along with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. I actually compare those two. They're very, very similar, but I don't know why I stopped using this product once again. You know, it was a great, great foundation. Love the applicator. Just loves how it applies. The only thing that I really don't like about it is the smell. It kind of smells like a permanent marker. But other than that, the coverage is great. And the fragrance does go away. As you could tell, like from this side where I have nothing on compared to this side, it's such a beautiful, beautiful foundation. Now that I bought a new bottle of it, maybe I will start using it again. And the price point is really good too as well. And of course, Wet n Wild is cruelty free, which is great. So now for my concealer. This here is by Too Faced, and it's Born This Way concealer, and it's a naturally radiant concealer. I do have mine in the shade Fair. This concealer I would use every day. It was like a holy grail concealer, and once again I stopped using it. It definitely like is a beautiful radiant concealer, and I love the shade of it too, and it applies so nice underneath my eye area, and it doesn't crease, it just lies so nice. And why did I stop using it? Well, because, you know, the market got flooded with a lot of other great concealers, a lot of drugstore concealers that I have a mad obsession with, and I just stopped using. Like, look at the difference. Look how nice and smooth and flat underneath here is compared to this side. It is a beautiful concealer. Maybe I will start using it more often, again, because I had such a strong love for it. And not only that, when more concealers started to come out on the market, I just kind of like pushed this one aside. Like, it just got pushed away. And I actually forgot that I had it till today when I started to go through my makeup. So I'm definitely going to be putting this out on my vanity to use more often, because it is just an all-around great concealer. Here is another one that I used to use on a daily, and this is the Kat Von D, and this is the Shade and Light Contour Palette. As you could tell, I used to use this shade quite a lot, and this shade as well. This was actually the first purchase that I made into my local Sephora when they opened, into Sephora Avalon. Yes, that was my first product that I purchased, my first Kat Von D product. I was really super excited about it. Truly do love this palette. I kind of reach for it when I'm doing a lot of contouring in my Halloween videos, but on a daily basis now, I don't even reach for it anymore. And it's kind of sad because it is truly a good palette. I'm going to go in with my Sigma contour brush, and I'm just going to bring some life into my face because I'm looking pretty pale right now. Yeah, that is still a good contour shade. Still a good palette. And I'm just going to set a little tiny bit underneath my eyes, not too much, because I really don't like to put a whole lot of powder underneath my eyes, unless it's my Lumiere pressed powder, because I swear by that powder. I'm just going in with this lightest shade right here. All in all, a great palette. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your first Kat Von D product that you purchased? Now I'm going to go in with blush. This is an old blush. I had such an obsession with this blush. It is by Physicians Formula, and it's called Sexy Booster Sexy Glow Blush, and this is in Rose. I don't even know if they make this one anymore. That's how long I've had this one. And it had a shoe, like you could see the shoe, but you can't see the heel because the heel is completely gone. I absolutely love this blush. It was such a beautiful blush. It's actually falling apart as we speak because I've had it for such a long time now, but I just really didn't want to part with it. And it gives off the right amount of pink blush, and it still has that good, like, beautiful vanilla fragrance in it. So I just took a little bit on my powder brush. This one here I got a long time ago. Anyhow, as you could tell, it's super pigmented. And like I said, I don't even know if they make this anymore. So now I'm going to go on to eyeshadow. And you're all probably wondering, what eyeshadow did I pick? What eyeshadow did I used to love, that I used all the time, and that I never stopped using, and that it popped up in so many videos? And I'm sure if you guys have been with me right from the beginning, you know exactly what I'm going to say. Let's say it together, shall we? It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This palette was a holy grail of mine. And I think the reason why I stopped using this palette is because besides using it on a daily basis, I would always use it in my videos. I would always mention it in my favorite videos. It was like I wasn't really giving other palettes a chance to get used or to get mentioned. So that's why I just put this one to rest. And of course, Tempera has completely hit pan. I only got a little tiny bit around here. This shade here is a great shade for the lids. Just love it. So I'm going to go right in with that shade right away. This palette is a beautiful palette. Now the next shade I'm going to go in with is Bon Frisco. This shade here I really truly love. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray number 6 brush. And I'm just going to apply that right into my crease. It is such a beautiful, like this mauve tone, very muted purple shade. And the next shade I'm going to go in with is called Warm Taupe. This is a clean brush. I'm just blending it all together. Now the next shade I'm going to go in with here is called Cypress Umber, which is this beautiful brown shade. And I'm just going to take this to my lower lash line. And I am using the BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray number 7 brush. Just to bring some highlight to the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to go in with the shade Primavera, and I'm just going to apply a small amount to my brush. Now for mascara, I actually had to go ahead and open this for the first time. I have not opened it since I bought it, and I've had it for quite some time now because my other ones are all dried up, all used, all gone. This was a mascara that I would grab for all the time. And no, it's not Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's by Tarte, and it's the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. This here was like from the Unicorn collection, I do believe that's what it was called. But anyhow, I haven't even opened it up yet. I kind of didn't want to because the packaging was so beautiful. But then I realized, you know what, Nicole? Use this mascara up. You could still keep the packaging because it is really, really pretty. Love the wand on this. This was a like go-to Holy Grail mascara, and I just loved how it applied to my lashes. It like didn't clump. It made my lashes separate beautiful. It gives the right amount of volume. Just look at the difference between the two eyes, and just look how nice my lashes look. It separates them beautiful. It gives them the right amount of volume and just looks so nice and soft and natural. So I just went ahead and applied my Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Liner in Boss because I really didn't have like a holy grail or a love for eyeliner back then, like the one that I used to use the most. I really truly didn't. Now for lipsticks, I had no problem picking out this one because this one here was a holy grail, a go-to mine all the time. I would use it in a lot of makeup tutorials. I would use it in a lot of favorite videos because I use this lip product a lot. So much so that I bought multiple backups of it. And this one here was my last one, and I used it so much, and then I stopped using it and never repurchased it again. Really truly don't know why, because it is beautiful. And this here is by e.l.f. and it's the matte lip color. This one here is in Tea Rose. This is my last backup of it. I had such a mad obsession with this lip product. The color of it is beautiful. It is just the perfect mauve tone pink, just a mauve tone, gorgeous, gorgeous lip color. And where it's a matte lip color, I really truly love matte lipsticks. Like, they're my favorite. And this one here doesn't dry out my lips. It just applies so nice. It stays all day. The quality of it's great. It is a wind up. I'm not going to wind it up anymore because it is broken. And the price point is amazing. And the color payoff is beautiful. I really truly love this. Why did I stop using it? I don't know. So there we go. e.l.f. Tea Rose is all applied to my lips. I really truly love how this lip color complements this eye look. I really have to say, all these products I loved back in the day. I used to have such a mad love and passion for and obsession for that I just don't reach for anymore. And it's unfortunate because I truly, truly love these products. And I know why I love these products. From the price point to the quality to the color payoff to how they blend, how they applied. I really, truly love these products. They are definitely going to be staying up on my vanity. I'm not putting them away anymore. And it's unfortunate that that happened because, of course, I collect so much makeup and there's so much new products coming out on the market that you feel like almost bombarded with, and you feel like the need that you have to go out and buy them and test them out and change it up. And not only that, I think that's another reason why I stopped using these products, was because where they were such a love and obsession and a holy grail products of mine, that I had to stop using them and changing them up, because I know that you as viewers want to see something different. You don't want to see me talk about these products over and over again because it can get a little bit tiresome, but I will have to say that now they are up on my vanity. I can't wait to play with them more, use them more, and just fall in love with them all over again. Let me know in the comments down below, what products did you used to reach for, that you had a mad obsession for, that you used to love all the time, and now you just don't use them anymore. They just sit there looking pretty. And will you go back to using them again? Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.